I woke up this morning. I see my eyes actually sleepy, and I woke up to $12. So how is that possible? Yes, it's actually possible through crypto mining. Okay, it's possible through crypto mining. Now, how can you actually for you to mine cryptos in the crypto space? You need a node. We have different kind of a node. You understand? But one of the node we have is called the miner node. This miner node help you to validate transactions. By so doing, when it validates transactions for you, you get paid. Actually, it's expensive to start mining, or it's expensive to purchase a node. But currently, with new technologies, you can rent a node at a cheaper price. You can rent a node at $375. At the end of the day, you can make over $700 in profit. So that is how I actually wake up to $12 every morning. So invest in a node today. But if you're interested, there's a link in the bio. Compliment